Hey, this is Matt with Sovereign Excavation and Construction Solutions, and so we're working late on this disaster. We got one of the staff plates in there, and we've got it pounded down. The problem is on the footing. It's probably hard to see, but I dug out the footing before we started to put the gravel in there, and I've got the edge of the plate at the edge of the footing, and there's a large gap. So what I've had to do is I'm putting some 2x4s in there, 2x12s in there, and I've got it braced also to that tree, and we're just gonna fill it up. I've got my filter fabric in there. You see that? I actually laid it down on the driveway here so that we could keep it from sliding, and I've got it all the way back to the corner. So this is Matt with Sovereign Excavation and Construction Solutions. What solution can we bring to you? Give us a call at 314-308-7161. Check us out on the web, www.sovereignexcavation.com. Thanks.